Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your stuck lumbar support on your Steelcase Leap V2. If you notice that your lumbar support is stuck and it is not moving up or down, you may need to remove it and then reattach it. To start, you're going to want to pull the back pad forward a little bit so you can get to the lumbar support. And by kind of reaching your fingers underneath the support and pulling outwards, it should release. And just have that sort of pulled out. And then go to the other side and do the same thing. Once those are both removed on both sides, you should be able to pull the lumbar support up. Once it's pulled up so it can attach to that track on the frame, you're just going to click those back into place. Once you have the lumbar support reattached to the frame, you should be able to easily move the lumbar support up and down the track. If you have any further questions on how to fix your stuck lumbar support on your Leap V2 chair, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Thanks for watching.